The next question is, what are your rights when you go to these BOIs? So you're going to get notified of a BOI, and I use the term BOI, Board of Inquiry, or a show cause board almost interchangeably. And so I may refer to it as a BOI, I may refer to it as a show cause board. It is a board of inquiry for you to show cause for retention, is what essentially it is. And you'll get notified that you're essentially being separated, and you have a couple different options. If you're retirement eligible, which means you have 20 years or more of active duty service, you can submit your retirement and walk away. And that may be a very good thing to do, or may not be. But that is an individual choice you have, but you've earned your right to retire, and your retirement cannot be taken away administratively. The only way your retirement can be taken away is via criminal court-martial, where you are either given a dismissal or a bad conduct or a dishonorable discharge if you're enlisted. So you've earned the right to retire, you can walk away and retire. Now, there may be a grade determination board down the road, and a grade determination board is a determination board to determine what rank you last successfully served in. So let's say you were a lieutenant colonel and you committed a BAH fraud, and instead of going to a criminal trial, it went to a GOMAR. You had a permanently filed GOMAR for housing fraud. From there, you went to a show cause board and you submitted the retirement packet. Well, HRC or Big Army or Big Air Force, Big Marine Corps, Big Navy, they're going to look at it and say, what was the last rank you honorably served in? And you may be retired as a major. That's just a reality of that. Or you may be retired as a lieutenant colonel if you're going to retire as a colonel. So that's something you need to factor into and consider as well. If you've been notified of an administrative separation board or a BOI, I want you to understand that you can absolutely fight this, regardless of whether your GOMAR was permanently filed or you're previously found guilty at NJP or Article 15. If you have a right to a board, get in front of these board members and fight. You can win these cases at a board. We do this routinely. If you want to have a conversation about how to do that, give me a call, 813-669-3500, or look at the information we have on our website, www.bileckilawgroup.com.